Hey students, what's up? Let's do the buck bear bow. Use symmetry to find the missing corner point. So this is kind of like the last question we did before. I think this is the second question in the series. I can't remember the exact order, but you want to remember that corner points of the same height have the same y value. So D is the vertex, right? So that means that C and E are going to have the same height. B and F are going to have the same height. A and G are going to have the same height. So they're going to have the same y values. So we can match up the y values like so. A and G are going to have the same y values. So if G has a -2, so does A. So basically we have a height right here of -2. Okay, cool. The B and F are going to match up. B and F are going to have the same height, which means they're going to have the same y value of 3. Let's double check. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yep, there we go. Look at that. Same height of 3. And then C and E are going to have the same height, so they're going to have the same y value, 6 and 6. They're going to have the same height of 6. Let's see here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there we go. So this should be a height of 6. I could draw it over here on the side like that. That might be a little bit better. And then here's the vertex, 2 and 7, height of 7. There we go. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, y values are pretty easy to match up. Now, either you can use spatial sense, or if you want to draw on the grid or sketch it really quick, it looks like A is at -5. Okay, so right here we have -5. Okay, so we'd have -4, -3. Okay, so B is at -3. Gotcha. So there's -2, -1. Let me double check. Yep, -1, we're good. And this would be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2. There you go. Your vertex right there is at 2 and 7. Checks out. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. E should be at 5. Here we go. This is 6, this is 7. Checks out. 8 and 9. There we go. So you can use symmetry for the y values. X values, you might just have to use spatial sense or count a little bit. I'm trying to think. There's also kind of a little trick here. So like, since A and G are symmetric, this is the same distance to the vertex. So this distance right here, going from -5 to 2, that's a distance of 7. So if you copy that distance, it's 7 more to get to G. Okay. So let's see here. So here's the x coordinate of -5. You need to jump all the way to 2. That's a jump of 7. Okay, cool. So if it takes 7 to get to the middle, it's going to take 7 more to get to the end. Look at that. So you could do that too if you want, but I mean, it's a little bit easier just to draw a picture sometimes. So otherwise, that's about it. That's corner point stuff. Using symmetry to find missing corner points, spatial sense, counting, translations. That is the buck bear bow. See you in class.